All right, the fifth and final strategy is negative word finder. And this again is like pressing the easy button. I absolutely love this strategy. And it came about from one of our beta testers who noticed that the word jumbo was causing him to lose a lot of money. Every time the word jumbo came up in any one of his search terms, he was losing a lot of money. And he wanted a way to find out the individual words that when were connected to a search term and somebody searched for it, they typically lost money on that word. And negative word finder is a way to do that. So basically in negative word finder, you're going to see that we are in all of the ad groups, and then all of the individual words here that are associated with unprofitable clicks are going to show up right over here. Now, some of these will have sales and some of them won't have sales. So it's really going to be up to you to look at the word and ask yourself, is this word connected to my product? And if it is it worth keeping based on the data? Sometimes it'll be very straightforward. It'll be easy to tell. Other times you'll have to make a decision whether or not you want to keep the word or not based on the data. So as you can see over here, the word set has 12 unprofitable clicks. We're not going to look at this here, but the word set has 12 unprofitable clicks, no revenue, and $9.79 in wasted ad spend. So that would be something that I would consider doing a negative phrase. Now the strategy here is to do a negative phrase, because then I'm saying in no way, shape, or form do I want visibility for the word set. So if somebody goes on Amazon and puts any phrase in with the word set, we will no longer get visibility if we do a negative phrase. So then I'm simply going to go down this list and look for words that are not related to my product or that are just unprofitable. And keep in mind, this is an account with not that much data, so you're going to see a lot of unprofitable clicks here if you have a lot of account ad spend. So let's say we decide that this particular word is just not a good fit for us. We're going to go to add negatives to campaign. Here's the word here. We're going to add it to the campaign. And yes, this is what we want, a negative phrase. And then we're going to click on add and OK, and then we're done. And now it's set to Amazon, so you never have to get an unprofitable click from that word again.